Hello friends, here's Daniela again. Today I would like to share with you some of the Franken-papers I made with BB Henry for the BB Bash 2026. The pages that I will show you are the ones that I like best. They are not finished pieces of art, although I think a few of them would be really nice to frame and hang on the wall. For example, like this one. Maybe I will turn it around. Or like this. I don't know yet. Anyways, these are meant for collage papers. Franken-papers, I understand, derive from Frankenstein. So you take bits and pieces of paper or fabric, and you make them together as for a whole thing. So you either stitch it or glue it or whatever you prefer to do. I won't speak much about it. I had 3 colors that I used: Indian Yellow Hue, Payne's Gray, and Quinacridone Crimson. Just enjoy. And also the sound, because I like the sound of crinkling papers. I used old book pages. I might say anything anyway. I used old book pages, envelopes. I have a huge set of envelopes, as you can see over here. Deli paper or tissue paper, music paper, I think I had a few, and regular copy paper, whatever I had on hand. I use stitches, hand stitching, stencils, mark making, of course, and this is a bit of a collage. I also use some tape, regular paper tape or painter's tape, and cloth. Here's a bit of old lace. Some more hand stitching. I was not aiming for perfection. Oh yeah, this is one of my, the background is one of my, no, is it mine? Yes, I think it's mine. Of my ledger papers that I have printable on Etsy shop. This one also. I'll put a link below to my Etsy shop. This one I really like. It's simplicity, the splatter. The colors are not that bold except for the red line here, but I really like it. It's not my kind of style, but I must say I enjoy looking at it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you another time.